This is going to be a video tutorial on how to display or remove the home button on the Thorium Web Browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Thorium Web Browser opened up now. If you look off to the upper left-hand corner, you can see I have my home button displayed. You can actually customize your home button to take you to whatever web page you want to. But to display or remove the home button, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right-hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on the Settings page, the pane off to the left-hand side, you want to go down to where it says Appearance and click on Appearance. Then on the center pane, right down here, Show Home Button. There's a toggle off to the right side. As you can see, mine's currently toggled on. The home button is being displayed. If I toggle that off, it will remove the home button. If you have it toggled on, down below there, you have a couple more options. You could either have the home button take you to the New tab page by toggling on that top one, or you could toggle on the bottom one, and you could place whatever URL you want in this box right here, and that would be what your home button would take you to, whatever URL is here. But that is how to display or remove the home button on the Thorium Web Browser. Thanks for watching.